Hello guys! Today I will show you how to create a winter decoration for your interior. I will use some recycling materials such as old cardboard boxes and envelopes. Let's line out the simple shape of your palm and then cut it out. I am devoted recycling person. I like to work with variety of paper textures. For the mitten edges, I am using foam paper made from chocolate candy box. For mittens decoration, I am using paper from inner side of old envelope and shape hole puncher. If you don't have such as materials and tools, you can go with your own version of decoration according to color palette of your room. It will be nice if you do mittens in a few different sizes, like a family members. When all parts of mitten are ready, we will assemble them on a string. You can get fun of making this simple winter decoration. It's a good occasion to spend time with your kids. Dear friends, if you like this video, please put a like and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, that not to miss a new video. Good luck and see you soon!